Live life my way. 80 counts, 1 wall, phrased, advanced. Weight on the left. Part A, total 16 counts. Part A always start at 12 and finish at 6. Section 1, lunge to the right. Quarter forward, half back, facing 3. Left foot, back rock, recover. Step, pivot half. Forward left, sweep 3/8, facing 430. 2 run, right, left. Step right together, right arm out, palm facing forward. Left arm out, palm facing forward. Bring both hands up. Bring both fists down. Count Part A, Section 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 2. Back right with sweep. Behind side, scrap to 6. To the right diagonal, cross rock, recover. Rolling full turn. Quarter forward, half back, quarter side, and start raising right arm up over 2 counts. For the first A, you will do quick. Right arm out, left arm out. Sway right, sway left. For the second and third A, after raise right hand up, just do right hand out, left hand out, and start B. Count Part A, Section 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. That's the first A. For the second and third A, 5, 6, 7, 8, and start Part B. Part B, total 32 counts, cha-cha section. B always start from 6 and finish at 12. Part B, Section 1, side right, cross rock, recover, chassé quarter turn, side together quarter forward, facing 3. Rock, recover with sweep, behind side. Part B, Section 2, 2 rocks, cross rock, side rock, back sweep, back sweep. Sit on right, pop left knee, open body to the right, point thumbs to yourself. For lyrics, my way. Recover on left. Count Part B, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B, Section 3. Step, pivot quarter, facing 12. 2 quarter point, quarter point, quarter point, facing 6. Single count, cross, side rock, recover, cross. Part B, Section 4. 2-step quarter turn, total making half turn. 1/8 side, 1/8 cross, 1/8 side, 1/8 cross, facing 12. Stomp right, palm facing forward, hold. Stomp left, palm facing forward, hold. Count Part B, Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold 6, 7 hold 8. Tag after first B. Raise both hands up over 2 counts. Bring fist down over 1 count. Elbow out for 1 count. Count for the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare for Part C. Part C, funky section. Total 32 counts. Part C always start at 12 and finish at 12. Part C, Section 1. 2-1-8 pedal. With elbow out. Pedal, pedal, now facing 9. Recover left with sweep quarter, back to 12. Behind, side, rock. Cross, quarter back, quarter forward, facing 6. Part C, Section 2. Vaudeville, side, behind, side, heel, hold. Ball cross, side. Cross arm and point up. Count Part C, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 whole, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part C, Section 3. Hitch, step, hitch. Side together, press, facing 430 diagonal. Back sweep, back sweep. Make a quarter, side rock, recover, back, now facing 730. Part C, Section 4. Back left, back right. Coaster step. 2 chug, total making 5/8 turn. Step, quarter, step, 3/8, back to 12. That's the end of Part C. Count Part C, Section 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole dance count. First A. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole 6, 7 whole 8. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4. Part C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 whole, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the first rotation, you will do Part A with the hips and B, 2 C's. For the second rotation, you will just do Part A, B, C. Second A, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start the second B. Second B bring you back to 12. You will do 1 C. Then you will do another 1 A and 1 B. This B will be your last B. At the end of the last B, you will do 5 whole 6, 7 whole 8, 1. Finish the whole dance.